in the hospital yesterday.
Yes.
Hello,
Yeah, that's it. That is.
everything is fine?
Hello, hello. Can you hear me? Yes, yes, fine. It's okay.
Okay. Okay, so should we wait like 2 or 3 minutes? Then we will start our class. So I announced like today we are going to conduct test. So have you prepared for the test?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
Okay, so let's wait for 2 or 3 minutes. Mr. Abdur Rahman and Noor Muhammad will join, so we can
Hmm.
start the test. Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
If they are not joining, so the paper will be postponed. The test will be postponed, or should I do this?
Yes, I am thinking like, what should I do? What should I
So
do? So
test.
you can give the opinion.
What should I do if they are not joining
Yes,
today?
yes, I am asking what should I do? Like if they will not join, so should we postpone or
Okay, you asked me the suggestion.
yes?
So it may be a postponed, so it is better.
Okay, but I think they are not joining on time. So this is a mistake which they are doing.
Hmm.
Okay, let's do
I think
something for this.
maybe some network issue over there. So that is the reason they are not joining.
Yes, but I think the best thing if you want to just remember something like we forgot most of the time like when I have to join. So I set the alarm. I set the alarm. This is
Yeah.
a
You
good
I
thing for me.
say that when
Yes, before 5 minutes, I set the
yes,
alarm that I
you say
have to
that.
conduct the test.
Yeah.
Okay, so everything is good?
Yes, good. What about you? What about your
Yes,
colleagues and all?
yes, everything is good, fantastic. So, like, there is a raining in Mumbai. A rainy day
Hmm.
started.
Alright.
Yes. So I was
In
thinking like
Aligarh
I will
also.
be. Yes, Iram Rizvi, are you saying something?
Yes, sir. I said in Aligarh also raining.
Okay, good, amazing. So we were waiting for this time.
So at 10, mm, 7.
I think we have to do something important. Like everyone should join at 8 p.m. correct. Because we are wasting our
So,
time. Like it's 8 and now
correct.
we are
8, 8.
waiting only.
Yes. So
Okay, so
you can start now. No? You are.
yes. So Sheikh Asif, like I think we are going to read
Hmm.
first chapter. Like there
Oh,
are
why?
yes, there
I
are
started
listen,
with the
listen,
first chapter.
listen.
So,
Listen. So, like, there are two new students, Iram Rizvi and Ruksar. So, you are the old. So, you can prepare the second and third chapter. You can leave the class, or you can prepare.
okay.
You can prepare, but you have to speak. 8:45,
Huh.
you have to join and speak. Or 9 p.m. you can join.
Okay, okay. 8:45 I will be joining it again.
Yes.
So after 9,
Yes,
okay, okay. 8:45.
8:45 or 50 or 9, you have to join. Then we will speak because this is a very important part of the class. Okay.
But yeah, I know that this is very important for us. It is
Yes.
very when we put something else, so it will be better for us.
Yes. So take time. Just read second or third chapter because we have to give the test. So prepare and join. Okay. So you
Okay.
can
Last
read.
time I am doing a top. So you say that you give it to something.
And listen, Sheikh Asif.
Ah,
You didn't send your recording. I was waiting for your recording. Are
you
you
don't post your
curious?
Instagram. Okay.
Are you
You
curious or
cannot
not?
post it on what?
Like you are curious for speaking English, okay? Like you have to crack the
Yes.
interview, you have to speak fluently English. So like we have to
Yes.
focus on speaking more. So you can record, like anything you can record and send. Okay.
Okay, okay, yeah.
Okay.
Today the topic I don't know what I can speak, but I will try my best.
Yes.
Okay. Should I speak class?
Yes, you can.
Thank you. चल भाई अल्लाह हाफिज़. चलो भाई अल्लाह.
Allah Hafiz. Hello. Are you both listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, like the old students are not there. So there was one old student. So like you both are there. So we have seen the curriculum of the 6 months, what we are going to read. So there are some chapters which I have designed. Okay, different chapters which we are reading. Like this is a chapter 0 which I have given the name. Like there is a let's see, let's see it. We are not going to read deeply, but let's see. So this is a chapter 0, overview of English and importance of English, which you have to read it by yourself. Okay, we are not going to read. Like there is the importance of English.
Okay, sir.
Like yes, there is a introduction you can read. Like why English, why is what is English क्या है. और उसके बाद हमने यहाँ पे लिखा है कि why English is important. English important क्यों है. English in daily life, how we are going to use English in daily life. And English for students, like why English is important for students. So I have designed this PDF which you can get the overview about the English is English as an international language. And main skills in English. What are the main skills? Like listening, speaking, reading, writing, vocabulary and grammar. So all these things you can read by yourself if you have like time. Basic parts of English, all these things are there. And benefits of learning English: communication, education, career, knowledge, confidence, and how to learn English well. Like there are some good habits. Are you getting my points or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so just we are taking the overview. Like this is not the important chapter as much we are going to read.
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
you can read by yourself. Okay. So, simple
Yes, sir. I
English
will.
rules for beginners. Rule 1, like start with letters and sounds. Rule 2, learn vowels and consonants. So, these are some rules. 25 model sentences are there, like English is an important language, it helps us communicate. So, all these sentences are there, and like common mistakes are also there. Okay. Like what we have to do and what we don't have to do. Like common mistake, like students may make mistakes while learning English basics. Like error 1, learning only alphabet, and memorizing without practice, mixing letter, names, sounds. So these are some mistakes. And error correction practice is there. And worksheet 1. So the lots of knowledge I have included the worksheet, which I will share on your WhatsApp. If you have time, just take some time, half an hour or 1 hour, to read this PDF. Okay, to just read
Okay,
this
sir.
video. Yes. So this was the first chapter which I have designed. And now this is the first chapter, then second. So just we read one chapter, two chapter if we are going to complete, then there will be one test. Okay. Like
Yeah.
this is the
Okay,
first
sir.
chapter which we are going to read today. Let's see. So this is the first chapter which we started our classes, like basics of English. Okay. So we can read, let me explain first. So these are the parts of the classes. First, I have designed the learning parts where we are going to learn about the grammar. Then every day we are learning about the news articles and memorizing the words and speaking. So these are the activity which we are doing. So after every two chapter, there will be one test. Test will be consist of 30 MCQ questions and one speaking mandatory video. Okay, like 30 MCQs test and one topic I will give, or two topic you have to choose. Then you have to record your face. You have to put the mobile and then you have to record yourself in the video, because I have to check the everything. I have to check like how you are speaking, how is your body language, how is your sound, where you are taking pauses, everything I just measure. Because if you are going to give the test and now suppose you join the classes, so if you are going to record yourself, then I will evaluate after 3 weeks, like you have improved something or not. So I'm going to measure everything.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I'm going to measure everything, and I'm also going to tell like where you have to improve yourself. Like what are the mistakes you
Okay,
are
sir.
making? Like there is one student, Mr. Abdurrahman. Do you know about it? About him?
Yes, sir.
There was Mr. Abdurrahman who was reading. So I said like you have to work on your pronunciation. So like this,
Yes, sir.
I
You told
have to
him.
check like who is speaking like this, and which is the most important area where he has to improve. Mr. Rukshar Sheikh, are you getting something or not?
Getting मतलब
Yes,
understand
are you able to understand what we
something.
are learning, what we are talking? Like it is okay, or should we speak Hindi also?
ओके मतलब थोड़ा थोड़ा बोल लेती हूँ, पूरा क्लियर नहीं आती मेरे को.
Okay, so like this is a,
इंग्लिश.
very good and amazing rule which I have implemented. Like if we are here to speak English, to learn English, so we have to speak in the entire class. Mistakes are allowed. I'm not saying like you are not going to make mistakes. You will make mistakes. I'm here to correct you. We are here to learn and correct. So every day, if you are going to speak, you will get benefits. So I'm not going to conduct the class in Hindi. Okay. Like I am going to tell you one
ओके.
story. Okay. I think there is someone. Let's see who is there. Abdur Rahman is there.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाह.
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
हाँ यार बर्द how are you my brother?
Okay. So, hello. Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So,
Yes,
यस
sir.
सर.
I was telling one story. Which story I forgot? What I was telling? क्या मैं बता रहा था? कुछ तो बताने जा रहा था ना?
Sir, you were telling. Yes, sir. You were telling something related to why you don't use Hindi in class and prefer to use English, and also suggest to students to use English and allow mistakes.
Yes. So, like in starting, we were taking the classes in Hindi. Okay. So, I think like if you all are there to speak, if you are not going to do more practice, so you will not get benefits from the class. There are lots of institutions, they are
Yes,
just
sir.
teaching English in Hindi language. So it is out of the box. Like how you are teaching English speaking in Hindi. Why not in English? Like mistakes are allowed in the class, you have to speak in Hindi. So I applied the rule like 80-20, 80% English we are going to use in the class, 20% Hindi. If you want to express something and you are unable to express, so you can use Hindi. Okay, so these are the parts of the class, and I will suggest please try to speak like Iram Rizvi is speaking, she is asking the questions. So Ruksar said, try to speak and ask the questions. There is no one who is going to judge you because we are here to learn and speak. If you are going to try to speak, like there is only one. So the fear will gone
Okay.
and you will be able to speak in front of two people, then in front of five, then in front of 10. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
these are the class PDF which I will
Yes,
send.
sir.
Yes. So don't have any type of fear in the class. Okay.
Okay.
So now
Okay.
let's
Okay, sir.
read the introduction. So we are going to close this in 10 to 15 minutes. So Iram Rizvi, can you read? Please read it.
Yes, sir, sure. Introduction. The basics of English grammar and language learning start with letters and sounds. Before students can read full words, they must understand how each letter is written, named, and spoken. This chapter gives a complete foundation for beginners, can be used for classroom teaching, self-study, or revision. Students often learn English by memorizing the alphabet, but that is only the first step. A stronger foundation comes from knowing the difference between letters and sounds, vowels and consonants, short and long vowel sounds, and how simple words are built.
Okay. So now you understand whatever you read in this paragraph.
Yes, sir.
I think no
Yes,
need
sir. I
to
completely
explain it.
understand.
Okay.
Yes, sir. No need to explain.
Yes, because this is a basic chapter which I have designed. Like we have to learn from the basic. You don't have to understand like I am able to speak English, so why should I learn about the alphabet and vowel and consonant? You are not thinking like this. Hello.
Sir, because this para suggests that. Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible. You can speak.
Okay, sir. Sir, like I read all that whole para, and it was about that sounds and letters and alphabets are helping us to speak clearly, and like these kind of vowels, some vowels and consonants also play a major role in speaking. We get clue where we have to add vowels like the, n, or a. For example, a is used for a general thing, and n is used for where vowels comes first, or first letter sounds similar like vowel sound, and the is come before uh, any specific thing. So that's why knowledge of sounds and letters are also necessary, and
Yes.
group of letters form a word. So if we don't understand letters, how can we form a word? For example, if we want to form a word, or written a word or create a word like chair, so first of all we have to gather those letters which were necessary to form that word. So that's why sounds and letters are important.
Yes, good, amazing. So we don't have to think like we don't have we don't need this chapter. Okay, we are learning from the basics. Basics to advance, we are going to learn everything, everything in details, and you are going to know and speak about English.
Okay.
Okay, you don't need to do any other courses if you are going to complete this 6 month of spoken English challenge. Okay. So now the English alphabets. So Mr. Rukshar sir, can you read it?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
The English alphabet. The English alphabet has 26 letters. These letters are divided into two groups, vowels and consonants. The alphabet is the starting point of reading, writing, spelling, and pronouncing
Pronunciation. You can say
alphabet
pronunciation.
letters A, pronunciation.
Yes. So
Alphabet
now, yes, yes,
letters.
done. Wait. So now, like you read this paragraph, okay, from there to there. So have you understand everything?
Oh,
Because this is a basic. So like you said, like I am in a
yes.
basic level, so I will understand or not. So you, are you able to understand this paragraph or not?
Understand.
Okay, understand, because we are learning from the basic to advanced. Okay, because I have to first check on which level you are. I think you are on intermediate level. So we are going to read from the basic to advanced, to intermediate, then advanced. So from this is the first chapter which
Okay.
we are learning about the letters, alphabet, vowel, consonants. Okay, so I think you understand. No need to explain.
Okay.
Now you can read the alphabet letters. Yes, alphabet letters.
A
Yes,
B
read.
C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.
Okay, good. So
Okay.
like yes, it was good, but there are some letters which if you are going to listen or watch any video, so we have to pronounce all these letters correctly. Like
Yes,
there
sir.
is W,
Correct.
okay, like A, B,
W.
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay. So this is a basic thing, but
Okay.
most of the people are making mistakes in this also. So alphabet groups.
Okay.
Yes, you can
Groups.
also read this.
Alphabet groups. Vowels. A E I O U.
Yes.
Consonants. B C D E नहीं F G H J K L M N O नहीं P
P, Q.
Q R S T V W X Y.
Okay, W, X, Y. So these are vowels which we learn in the schools. Okay, most of the time, like vowels are there, like A, E, I, O, U. There are five vowels, and there are consonants. 21 consonants are there. Apart from vowel, these are all consonants. Okay. So letter names and sounds. Okay. So Iram Sheikh, can you read it?
Yes, sir, sure. Letter names and sounds. A letter is the written symbol, while the sound is how we pronounce it. This is very important because the name of a letter and its sounds may be different. For example, the letter B is named B, but its sound is B. Example A, B, C, D, E. Knowing sounds helps children read words correctly and spell them more easily.
Okay. So have you understand this paragraph, like what we talk in this? Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
let me explain. Okay, like a letter is the written symbol, a letter is the written symbol, while the sound is how we pronounce. Letter मतलब ये जैसे लिखा हुआ है, ये letter है हमारा, और sound क्या है, how we are going to pronounce this. This is sound. This is very important because the name of letter and its sound may be different. Yes, क्योंकि ये लेटर ए हमारा जो लेटर है, ए लेटर बी इज नेम्ड एज बी बट इट्स साउंड बी. ठीक है. So sound, it means like how we are
Yes,
going
sir.
to write and sound is different. Now let's learn about the vowel. Like vowels are the letters A, E, I, O, U. They are very important because almost every English word has at least one vowel. मतलब इंग्लिश में if you are going to speak any word, there will be one vowel. It is saying vowel sounds are produced with a
Yes.
free flow of breathe from the mouth. ठीक है. ब्रीथ के साथ हम उसको प्रोनाउंस करते हैं, जो भी हमारे वॉवेल्स होते हैं. ठीक है. दीज आर वॉवेल्स ए ई आई ओ यू. वॉवेल्स एग्जांपल लाइक ए आंट, एप्पल. So this is an example of vowel A. E, egg, elephant. I, ink, igloo. O, orange, onion. U, umbrella, uncle. So these are some examples like how vowel examples are there. Okay. Like let's know the key points. There are 5 vowel letters. Okay. Vowels help from syllables. Syllables. Vowels help from syllables. Okay. So do you know what is syllables?
Yes. Book. Notebook.
So do you know what is
Book.
syllables? Syllables.
Sir,
Chair. Seat.
This is syllable.
syllables. Sir,
Yes.
wait.
So syllable means like if there is a one word, English word, so where or how many types we are going to stress on the word. This is called syllable. Or how many vowels are there in the word. This is called syllable. Okay. उस सेंटेंस कोई वर्ड है, उस वर्ड में कितने वॉवेल हैं उसको हम syllable बोलते हैं. ठीक है. Understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Every English word usually needs a vowel sound. So now we completed the sound, vowel. Now let's see the consonants. Like consonants are all the letters that are not vowel. जो vowel नहीं होते उसके अलावा जो है वो consonant है. English has 21 consonants. Consonant sounds are usually made by blocking or restricting airflow in some way. Okay. कॉन्सोनेंट लेटर्स क्या है? कॉन्सोनेंट लेटर्स ये हमारे पास. एग्जांपल्स क्या है? कॉन्सोनेंट एग्जांपल्स बी बॉल, सी कैट,
B.
डी डॉग, एफ फिश, जी गॉट. So you can take the examples of every consonant. Important note. What is important note? The letter Y can sometimes act like a vowel as in sky or gym, but in many basic lessons it is taught as consonant. So what do you understand by this line? Yes.
Sir, as you told before, that syllables are also that which which emphasize on vowels also. Yeah, how many times vowels comes. So
Yes.
here it is written that letter Y sometimes act like vowels like sky and gym word, but in many but in general it is taught as a consonant. So I think this thing linked with that.
Okay, so like simple, like if anyone is going to ask like how many vowels are there, you have to say 5, A, E, I, O, U. But this is saying like Y, this is a particular word. Sometimes it acts like a vowel, sometimes, and but normally it is consonant. Okay, like in it is saying like they are saying like vowel as in sky, sky or gym. this is acting like a vowel, but in normal it is consonant. Okay, letters and sounds. Letters and sounds
Okay.
are related but not the same. Okay, I think we have just read it. Letters and sound are related but not same. A letter is what we write, while a sound is what we speak. A single letter may have more than one sound, and one sound may be represented by different letters. Okay. Examples. Let's see the examples. Like C in cat sounds like K. C in city sounds like S. A in apple sounds like short A. A in cake sounds like long A. So what do you understand by it? It is simply means like there is a one sentence, like there is a one word which is C. सो सी जो लिखा है ये एक वर्ड है. सो इसका साउंड सिर्फ सी नहीं होगा, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट हो सकता है, इसीलिए साउंड्स हमारे पास बहुत ज्यादा हो जाते हैं. जैसे सी, आप अगर कैट बोल रहे हो तो ये कैट में सी का साउंड करेगा. ठीक है, सी इन कैट साउंड्स लाइक के. ठीक है, के का साउंड कर रहा है. और सी इन सिटी साउंड्स लाइक एस. सिटी जब हम बोलते हैं तो उसमें एस की तरह साउंड हो रहा है. और एप्पल में ए जो है साउंड्स लाइक ए शॉर्ट ए, लाइक एप्पल, वी आर सेइंग एप्पल. एंड ए इन केक साउंड्स लाइक लॉन्ग ए, केक. ओके, वी आर जस्ट टेकिंग लॉन्ग लाइक केक. अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so short and long vowel sounds are also there. So like vowel we understand. So it is saying like there is a short vowel and long vowel. Short and long vowel sound. So vowels can have different sounds in different words. The most basic division is short vowel sounds and long vowel sounds. Like short vowel sounds, these are short vowel and these are long vowel. There is a simple difference you can understand. Like A, as in cat. A, cat. E, as in bed. So if we are going to pronounce the word very quickly, this is called short vowel. Like cat, bed, sit, hot, cup. And if you are going to just keep it for a long time, so like A as in cake, this is long vowel. Okay, it is easy. Cake, these, time, home, cube. Now there are some examples of short and long vowel. Now there is a phonetics and sound practice. Okay, which you can read. The phonetics is a study of letter sounds and how they join together to make words. Phonetics is a study of sounds. Like simple sound practice is there, and basic word building is there, word example is there, and capital and small letter. We know about the capital letter and small letter. Are you all aware?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we are aware about the capital. There is a capital letter and a small letter. So use of capital letter, like capital letters are used, like how you are going to use the capital letter. So there are some rules of using it. So these are the rules when you are going to use the capital letter. Like at the beginning of a sentence, if you are going to begin any sentence, you have to use the capital letter. For names, if you are going to write it down for any name, so you have to write in capital letter, first letter. For days and months, if you are going to write it down, the days and months, you have to write in capital letter. For places and countries, if you are going to write any place or country name, so you have to write in capital letter. Or for title in writing, okay, if you are going to write any title like doctor, teacher, engineer, so you are going to use the capital letter, okay, of first word like engineer, E, doctor, D. So these are some basic rules which we already learn in the school, okay, I think. So
Yes.
basic English sentence idea. There are some basic English sentences. A simple English sentence usually begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. The first step is in learning English writing is knowing how to build a correct simple sentence. So if you are going to say any sentence like I am happy, so you are writing the I in capital letter, then there will be one full stop. I am happy. The cat is small. We have books. So there are 30 model sentences to just read and practice. Like A is the first letter of the alphabet. E is a vowel letter. I can write the alphabet. O is a vowel sound. U is used in many words. So you can read it. Okay. So these are the like common errors are there. Like students often make mistakes in basic English learning because they confuse letters, sounds, vowels, and consonants. Okay, so there are some errors which you can practice. So let me
Okay.
invite
Okay.
Mr. Sheikh Asif. Okay, so there are some errors like error correction and practice are there also. So yes, can you read Rukshar Sheikh from there? Like English has 5 consonants.
Okay. English has five consonant. English has five vowels.
Okay, so have you understand like English
A,
has 5 consonants?
A,
This is a wrong. In the right side, which is
नहीं
written,
है ना?
this is right.
Right.
जो लेफ्ट में
Okay.
लिखा है वो रॉन्ग है और जो राइट में लिखा है वो करेक्ट है.
समझ गई.
Okay, yes,
Okay, okay. A is a consonant. A is a vowel.
yes.
B sound is B. B sound is B. B. Every word has no vowel. Every word usually has at least one vowel. Y is always a vowel.
Hello.
Y can sometimes act
आप
like a
ज्वाइन
vowel.
करो न्यूज पढ़ते हैं
Capital
उसके बाद
letter
स्पीकिंग
are
करते हैं ज्वाइन कर
never
सकते
used in name. Capital letter are used in names.
हैं. Okay,
These
okay, done, done.
there are
Okay,
20.
okay, good, good, done. So we have to read it by yourself. Okay, you have to read and understand. Like this is a this was some mistakes or error correction practices there, and like worksheet set one, like identify. We have to identify like write V for vowel and C for consonant. Like
Okay.
A, C, B, See, so you have to just practice like this. There are some worksheets also are there. So I have included lots of things in the chapter which you can read and practice. I think we have completed this chapter, okay? And this is a recap, then teacher note, then done. Okay, so this was the first part. I will send the PDF so you can read by yourself, okay? Let me take Sheikh Asif.
Okay, sir.
Where is Sheikh Asif? Okay, Sheikh Asif is there. Okay, so now let's read the news. We are going to read the news, okay? In for 10 minutes. Let's read. So I have already sent the news in a group. We are going to read that news, okay? Where is the news? Where is the news? Let me check the news. Yes, Sheikh Asif, how are you?
Yes, good, good, bro.
Yes, so this is a news which we are going to read today, okay? PM Modi delays departure from Delhi airport to avoid inconvenience for NEET aspirants. Yes, let's read this news. This is an amazing news. Mr. Abdurrahman joined the class at 8:20 after 20 minutes. What What is
Okay.
happening there? So I removed him from the class.
सही है.
Yes, because we have to maintain some curriculum in the class. Or if you are thinking like I have to join after half an hour, so let's join. No, you don't have to do like
Hmm.
this. Okay, I'm saying right or not.
Hmm.
So we will only
Yes, yes.
wait for. I
Perfect.
think
Good.
we have to wait
Your
only five
decision is
minutes.
good.
5 minutes is enough. Yes or not?
Hmm. You can, yes, yes.
Okay, so let's read
You
this
can set
news.
your boundaries. So
Yes.
definitely those. You can set your boundaries. Okay,
Yes.
this is the boundaries. If you are
Okay.
so set it.
Yes.
Okay.
5 minutes. I will put like I'm going to wait for 5 minutes only. 5 minutes only. After the 5 minutes,
Okay.
you will be not allowed in the class because
Okay. You
there.
you can write down the group.
Yes, I will add. So now we are going to read this news. Okay. PM Modi delays departure from Delhi
Okay.
airport to avoid inconvenience for NEET aspirants. So this is the heading. Like I read the heading, now I understand everything. So if you are you are unable to understand the heading, so please tell me any difficult word in the heading which you are unable to understand. Like Sheikh Asif or Rukhsar
What is
Sheikh
the
or
meaning of departure?
departure मतलब निकलना.
Hello. Departure?
Departure मतलब निकलना.
Okay.
Yes.
Feel some I got it.
Like there
Got
are
the
two
sentence.
things in
Sorry.
the airport or
Over.
railway, like departure और arrival. Departure मतलब जाने वाली गाड़ियां और arrival मतलब आने वाली. So these
आने
are
वाली.
two
Okay.
word. Yes. Departure मतलब जाने वाला. So PM मोदी delays, उन्होंने delay कर दिया departure from Delhi. दिल्ली से जो फ्लाइट उनकी जा रही थी उसको डिले कर दिया to avoid inconvenience for NEET aspirants. मतलब उनको दिक्कत ना हो, नीट के जो एस्पिरेंट हैं उनको प्रॉब्लम ना हो, उनको कोई दिक्कत ना हो, इसलिए उनको उन्होंने अपनी फ्लाइट को डिले कर दिया दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट से. इरम रिजवी, हैव यू अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, sir, totally.
Okay, Rukhsar Sheikh, have you understand the heading of the news?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so like
Sir, I already read it when you send it on the group.
yes, so you are the smart student, okay? Like I sent the news, then I sent the vocabulary, pronunciation, Hindi, English, Urdu, word meaning, and three sentences also. Okay, every day I am doing this activity. So like delay means late.
Okay, sir.
डिपार्चर मीन्स जो जाने वाली गाड़ी है, चाहे फ्लाइट जा रही है या ट्रेन जा रही है, उसको डिपार्चर बोलते हैं. एंड फ्रॉम दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट टू अवॉइड, अवॉइड मतलब अवॉइड टू अवॉइड, लाइक उसको हटाने के लिए, खत्म करने के लिए. इनकन्वीनियंस मतलब प्रॉब्लम बोल सकते हो, प्रॉब्लम फॉर नीट एस्पिरेंट्स, नीट के जो एस्पिरेंट्स हैं उनको. विद द नीट एग्जामिनेशन स्केड्यूल्ड टू बिगिन एट 2 p.m. He delayed his departure to ensure that students faced no inconvenience. Okay, so यहाँ पे भी सेम चीज है. Let's read from there. Yes, Iram Rizvi, can you read? Like from there you can read. Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi chose to wait at Delhi airport instead of heading directly to his residence after arriving at around 1:15 p.m. on Sunday.
Okay.
Prime
Have
Minister
you
Narendra
understand?
Modi. Yes, sir.
Okay, no. Let's read from there. Then we are going to see the meaning. Okay, read from there.
Okay, sir.
Prime Minister.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi delayed his departure from Delhi airport on Sunday to ensure that students face no inconvenience in reaching their NEET examination centers and that traffic movement remained smooth.
Yes, okay, done. So now let's understand the meaning. Like Prime Minister Narendra Modi choose to wait at Delhi airport instead of heading directly to his residence after arriving at around 1:15 p.m. सो यहाँ पे कौन सा वर्ड ऐसा है? प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी चूज टू वेट एट दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट इंस्टीड। इंस्टीड मतलब होता है कि वो काम ना करके इसको चूज किया। ओके, लाइक इंस्टीड बोलते हैं ऐसा कि वो ना करके इसको किया। इंस्टीड ऑफ हेडिंग डायरेक्टली टू हिज रेसिडेंट मतलब ये चूज ना किया कि वो डायरेक्टली अपने घर पे चले जाए जहां पे रहते हैं वो। रेसिडेंट मतलब जो उनके रहने की जगह है, वहां पे ना जा करके आफ्टर अराइविंग एट अराउंड 1:15 पीएम, वो 1:15 पीएम पे वो एयरपोर्ट पे पहुंच गए थे। उन्होंने वेट किया क्योंकि एग्जाम चल रहा था। ठीक है, आई थिंक यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस सेंटेंस। यस, रुखसार शेख, हैव यू
Yes, sir.
अंडरस्टैंड एवरीथिंग?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please ask. Like I like if someone is asking something, anything. If you are going to ask, like I didn't understand the meaning of instead. I didn't understand like what is the meaning of this word. Please can you elaborate? Please, I didn't understand. Please tell me more sentences related to this word. Tell me the synonyms or antonyms. So we will check everything. Okay, don't worry about it. So just ask. If you are unable to understand, ask. Prime Minister Narendra Modi delayed. Delayed मतलब? Yes, Rukshar Sheikh. Do you know the meaning of delayed?
Delay, delay करना.
Delay. Yes, delayed मतलब delay करना, late करना. This is a second form. Okay. His departure. Departure का meaning हमने देख लिया. Departure मतलब जाने वाला, जो जा रही हो. From
जाने
Delhi
वाला.
airport on Saturday
Yes.
to ensure that student faced no inconvenience. इंश्योर करने के लिए कि स्टूडेंट को कोई भी प्रॉब्लम ना हो। इनकन्वीनियंस की मीनिंग आप समझ सकते हो, प्रॉब्लम या डिफिकल्टी इन इजी वर्ड। एम आई राइट और नॉट हिरम रिजवी?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
in reaching their need examination centers and that traffic movement remained close. ओके, सो ट्रैफिक का जो मूवमेंट था वो स्मूथ मतलब था उस वक्त। ठीक है, नाउ लेट्स रीड मोर। यस, शेख आसिफ, यू कैन रीड दिस पैराग्राफ। यस,
Okay.
यस,
Wait. Hmm. After arriving at uh, after arriving at around 1:15 p.m., the Prime Minister chose to wait at the airport instead of heading directly to his residence, with the need examination scheduled to begin at 2 p.m. According to news agency ANI, Union Minister Sukanta Mazumdar praised PM Modi for some power means privilege. For PM Narendra Modi, it means responsibility choosing to wait at the airport to so need aspirants could travel smoothly to their examination center reflects a leadership style that puts citizens first. That's it.
okay, yes, done, great. So you read very well. Okay, it was amazing. So now let's understand this paragraph. So have you understand, Sheikh Asif, everything? Let's see from there. Like after
Yes,
arriving
yes,
at
I got it.
around 1:15 p.m., the Prime
Yes.
Minister chose to wait at the airport instead of heading directly to his
हाँ वो
residence.
वेट
The
करना था
same word
वही.
is there, the same meaning is there. Okay, with the NEET examination
हाँ बस
scheduled to
वही
begin at
यूनियन मिनिस्टर
2 p.m.
खान
according to news
मसूद.
agency. Okay, according to
Okay,
news
okay, you can
agency,
speak. You can
the
speak.
Union Minister Sukanta Mazumdar praised. Praised means what is the meaning of praised? Yes, anyone can tell.
Appreciate someone.
Yes,
Appreciate someone.
yes,
हाँ
appreciate
right.
someone. It means like
Like give
तारीफ करना, ठीक है?
appreciation to someone.
Yes, praised PM Modi. PM Modi की तारीफ करना. So have you understand Rukshar Sheikh? Do you understand the meaning of
Yes, sir.
praised?
Praised.
Okay. So
Appreciate.
understand. Okay. So for some power means like privilege. What is the mean of privilege? I have already sent it all the
Special
word
right.
meaning in the group. Yes?
Special right. Special
Ye-
right.
Yes, a special right. Yes, if someone is going to feel special about him. For PM Narendra Modi, it means responsibility choosing to wait at the airport to so NEET aspirant could travel smoothly to their examination center reflects to a leadership style that puts citizens first. Okay, so yes, Rukshar Sheikh, you can read from there. Like Prime Minister was
Okay. The Prime Minister was returning from a
returning.
2-day visit to returning from a 2-day visit to Odisha and West Bengal, during which he attended several events,
Several events.
including several events, including an International Yoga Day program in Kolkata on Sunday.
Okay. Okay, the I think yes. There are some parts of the news.
Meanwhile, the National Testing Agency is conducting the NEET UG examination
Okay, which word?
2026 examination for admission to undergraduate medical courses.
Okay, okay, done,
Courses.
done, done.
The
Great.
exam is
Okay, amazing, amazing, amazing. So let's understand this.
okay.
Like the Prime Minister was returning from a 2-day visit to Odisha and West Bengal, during which he attended several events. So, do you know the meaning of several? Yes, Rukshar Sheikh.
Several.
Several.
Okay.
Do you know the meaning or not?
Several.
No.
Okay.
Several means
Several.
multiple. बहुत सारे. ठीक है? So I have sent it the word meaning which you have to just go through. So you will understand. Several events. It means multiple events. बहुत सारे events. Including an international yoga day program in Kolkata on Sunday. This is easy. So meanwhile, like during the National Testing Agency NTA is conducting the NEET UG 2026 re-examination for admission to undergraduate medical courses. Okay. So now I think this is enough for today. We just read the news and now let's move on our speaking part because there is 8:58. Okay, so now we completed our second part of the class. Now we are going to speak on the topic. So yes, Sheikh Asif, what is our today's topic?
Today topic is related to Narendra Modi.
Narendra Modi. You are
He
going to
is
you want to speak
right.
about the Narendra Modi?
Yes, the
Okay.
topic is related to this and yoga, right?
No, like I thought I have sent it the different topic, but if you want to speak about the Narendra Modi, I'm okay.
Sir,
So,
Okay, let's.
uh,
you send the
भाई
topic.
you send that and PM नरेंद्र मोदी का ये Okay,
yes,
girls become a national topper with 500 marks after this yes marks CBSE class
yes,
12
irrelevantly,
the
are you saying something?
evaluation result.
Sir, I'm saying that you mentioned that topic was the role of parents in children's life.
Yes. So I have mentioned that topic like most of the days what we are doing,
नहीं
if we are going to read any article, on that particular article we also speak. So because of this, Sheikh Asif is saying like
Okay,
this
sir.
article was related to Narendra Modi, yoga, and that event. So yes, Sheikh Asif, if you didn't watch that particular topic which I have sent in the
hmm.
group, so you can talk today about the this news which we read now. Okay. Do you
Okay,
have enough information
so
about
should
it?
I start?
Do you have enough
Yes,
information?
for me it is enough for me.
Okay. So let's
I
start.
have a lots of knowledge, so I can
Okay.
speak easily.
Okay, so let's start talking about the our Prime Minister, longest Prime Minister, Narendra Modi. Yes, Sheikh Asif, you can start speaking.
Okay, wait, 1 minute.
Okay, so you if it will be better if you are going
एक
to turn
minute.
on your camera.
So you know that my camera is not working. There is some permission. It's instead needed.
Okay,
So you told me that when we are meeting in office, so you will check my phone. Still, you are not see my phone.
okay. Tomorrow,
Not
inshallah,
checking
I
my
will
phone
check.
even. 4 days I have a week of NPL. So after 4 days you can check it.
Okay, okay. Let's start.
Okay. So Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum
Uh,
salam.
Today topic is related to PM Modi delay departure from Delhi airport to avoid inconvenience for NEET aspirant. So the Modi, we know that there is a big name. Everyone know that when there is a he is always capture of photos and videos. So recently the NEET re-examination instant. So he will be departure from Delhi airport on Sunday to ensure that the student will not facing the traffic or anything. So I think that when I am searching on the uh, articles on the internet, so I found out that the people who are going to the NEET exam, so they if for example if there is a peoples, most of the peoples are missing 1 minute. They are visiting after 1 minute, so they will be not entering to the exam. So maybe the the management is not good for us. It is a re-exam, so we know that we are a people, so it may be they are searching. There is a there is a lots of people, there's a traffic over there, or maybe some emergency. So it may be a 1 minute, it's okay. The management will be the girl or the guy who is missing that 1 minute after NEET exam, so he will be visiting write the exam. But the watchman, he told them, "Okay, you are not entering to the exam." So for me it is not a good management.
Okay.
Yes, and the who is that Union Minister Suklan Mazumdar praised to Narendra Modi for what
Yes.
he is responsible for choosing to wait the airport for the exam.
Yes.
So I think that this is a good. He is only for leadership, like he is like दिखावा and all. Uh, बस उसके जो भी है whatever. So he is only for this like papers Mediana is praise and all. So it is, I think that it is not a good, but he is trying to do papers and praise for that. And after that, when we recently we know that the CGP, Cockroach Janata Party,
Yes.
they are for on road, they are demanding that the union minister
Resignation.
Sukhdev,
Yes.
I think so that the name. So he will be resign from the union minister, education minister. So he need to be resigned from that, but still he will not resign it. Then the CGP co-founder Abhijit Sitke, he is on the road.
Yes.
So the peoples who are Muslims, so most of the people are on dharna on Delhi. So the Muslim guy who gave it to them a food like Puri Bhajis and all. After that, he will be praised, and the Abhijit Jitke, jo bhi naam hai, whatever. So he will be touch his feet to the Muslim guy and chant for Inqilab Zindabad. After showing that on Instagram, it is a very viral. So we know that the Punjabi people is very good for langar, right? So after that, Muslim the when after that Muslim the participation will be Punjabi. They also give it to the food to the CGP co-founder and the people who on road. They demanding that the union minister will be uh, the union minister will resign from the education. That's it for the day. Thank you.
Okay, okay, it was great, Sheikh Asif. So I want to give you one feedback. Like now, if you are
Okay,
able to
chalo.
speak more than 5 minutes, and you are making sentences, and you are able to express yourself. Okay. So suppose now, if anyone is
Hmm.
going to you give any topic, like you have to speak on this topic. So I think
Hmm.
you will be able to speak at
Hmm.
least 3 to 5 minutes without any
Yes.
preparation. Without any preparation.
Ah,
Yes.
yes,
So
I have a lots of knowledge, so that is
yes.
the
So it
reason.
is the it is the result like we are doing here. Like every day, if you are practicing here in the
Yes.
class, and also we started the
Yes.
recording
Yes.
activity, which is very helpful.
Yes.
Yes. So
Yes.
if we
Yes.
are going to
It is.
do both the things, we are going to improve very
Hmm.
rapidly, and you are going to
Day
perform
by
very
day.
well in the
When I
interview
joining it,
also.
yes. Yes, I feel very happy when I joining your academy also.
Yes.
So it is good for me. When I am trying for last 6 years, but I am not speak very well right now. When I know that when I am alone to write down the sentence and all, so it is around 3 to 4 days, but that's it. वो भूत रहता है ना वो उतर जाता है जोश जो रहता है motivation.
Yes.
It may be over. When I am joining with you, it is a consistently I need to do join. 8 p.m. It's 8 p.m. So I need to be joined. That's it.
Okay.
Thank you
Yes.
for you. I will when I am speak very well and when I got my favorite job,
Yes.
what I need it. So definitely I will give to one gift. It is special for you, me also, and
Okay,
you. Thank you.
okay, okay. Thank you. So, like, we have to be consistent every day, and you are speaking very well. Okay. So now, yes. So let's talk, Mr. Iram Rizvi. On which topic have you prepared today?
Sir, I'm not specifically prepared any topic, but if you suggest me any topic, I will speak on that.
Okay. So, like, if there are any new students, so I have 5 to 8 topics which I generally give. Like Rukhsar Sheikh, are you listening? Rukhsar
Yes,
Sheikh,
sir.
you have to introduce yourself today. So you have like 4 to 5 minutes. If Iram Rizvi is going to speak, so you can prepare yourself. You can just keep some pointers because this is the first day. So you have to just give the introduction. Okay. Now, Iram
Okay.
Rizvi, you can speak about your daily routine today. Is it okay? Or should I give any other?
Yes, no, sir, no problem.
Okay, so
So,
you have to just
if
yes, tell me about your daily routine, what you are doing in your entire day from like you are going to wake up till you are going to sleep on bed.
okay, sir.
Yes.
Uh, First of all, I'm going to tell you about my daily routine. Uh, first thing, first thing is this that I love to wake up early,
Hmm.
whether in my college days or also in my holidays,
Okay.
without any help of alarm. I get
Oh.
up early. After waking up from yesterday's, I started some workout uh, to gain some weight, and after it, I sit on my chair and start learning and understanding my contract law, because now I am going to promoting in second year of law, and I got three difficult subjects. Uh, gener- uh, Generally, all are difficult, but these three are purely related to legal field, like constitutional law, contract law, and criminal law. So currently, I am learning contract law, and after it, I used to help in some house chores, and after it, I am and after it I am performing I am taking bath, and then performing namaz, and then lunch, and after lunch I take some nap, and when I wake up, I prepared tea, and then walk on my terrace, and after it, um, I after it I again perform namaz, and then you send the link of the class, and I joined the class, and after when class got over, uh, i I will I go for the dinner, and after dinner I uh, again sit back for study, and then study till 12, and after it I go to the bed.
Okay, so done. Okay, so it
Yes,
was
sir.
good and amazing. Like you are able to make the sentences, and you are also able to express yourself and your thoughts. Like just we have to practice more, so you are going to just achieve the fluency, and you will be speak better. Okay, so everything is good. Everything is good, and you speak very well. Okay,
Sir,
now just you have to
sir,
follow.
I
Yes,
want to ask,
yes, ask.
sir, I want to ask one thing from you,
Okay.
that there is a problem with me. Sir,
Okay.
I generally forget grammar easily. I learn grammar and also understand it, but I'm very weak in memorizing things. So that's why I'm facing problems to make sentences, and all the things got mixed. So this is the problem I
Okay.
faced.
Okay. Understand. Like uh, we don't have to memorize the grammar rules. We have to use the grammar. Like you learn something about the parts of speech, or about the how to make the sentences, so you don't have to memorize the grammar. You have to apply the grammar in the sentence, and you have to use it in your daily life, so we are not going to forget. Okay, and here we are going to do the practical things. If we are going to learn the tenses, so we will apply. You have to we are going to tell the story about using the present tense, indefinite, and continuous. We will learn the story, so we are not going to forget. Okay, and this happens with everyone, uh, not only with you. Okay, so just this is a thing. If we are going to learn, and we are going to apply in words, so we are not going to forget. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now Ruksar Sheikh, can you introduce yourself? Okay, so what you have to tell, what are the pointers which you have to cover? Let me tell you first. First, you have to just greet, like Assalamu alaikum, good evening, everyone. First is a greeting. Then second, you can tell, just unmute. First listen the pointers which you have to talk. First is greeting, and second is you are going to tell your name, Like first, Assalamu alaikum or good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to introduce myself. Like my name is Shafiqur Rahman, and I am from UP Siddharth Nagar, but currently I'm living in Mumbai right now. And if I talk about my educational qualification, so I have completed my 10th and 12th from UP Madrasa Board, and I have also done my graduation and master's degree from Aligarh Muslim University. And apart from this, if I talk about my extra certifications, so I have done computer diploma, Urdu diploma, Arabic diploma, and English speaking courses, and about digital marketing or AI courses. If I talk about my hobbies, so I would like to teach and record the videos. And if I talk about my interest, so I would like to listen music or talking with friends. And yes, hobbies and interest. You can also tell your strength, weaknesses. So that's all about myself. So these are the pointers which you have to cover in the introduction. So let's start. Start. Are you able to listen to me? Rushan Sheikh is there.
Sorry.
Yes, so it's 9:16. We have only 5 minutes. Okay, please let's start speaking.
Okay.
You can give your introduction. Yes. So today,
Hello.
yes, today you can just introduce yourself. So are you not feeling comfortable?
My okay, so good.
Okay.
My name is Ruksha Singh. I am from Mumbai. I I I have completed I have completed
Yes.
graduation.
Okay. Okay. I have completed my graduation
I
from this college or in this year. You can include. Yes.
sorry. I I am
Yes. You can talk about
मैं कल
your
आपको
hobbies.
बताती हूँ.
You can talk about your hobbies, about your interest.
My hobby is reading books.
Okay, so now, yes, it was good because today is your first class, and that was the first speaking, I think. You tried to speak today. It was great, but we have to try. We don't have to think about others, like I'm unable to speak, so what they will think. No one has time to think about you. We have to do some hard work to achieve something. Okay, so now I understand, like if you are on the
Okay.
basic level, so you have to try to speak every single day. But if you are going to attend the classes and you are going to speak regularly, so you will see the improvement within 1 month or 1.5 month. You will be able to speak 3 to 4 minutes or 5 minutes. I guarantee you. But you have to follow all the rules which I have applied in the class. So if
Okay.
like tomorrow you are also going to give your introduction. Okay. Now tomorrow what you have to do, you have to write it down your introduction on a notebook, whatever the pointers I have given, and you have to introduce yourself tomorrow also. Understand?
Okay.
Okay,
That's it.
so now we took lots of time today. So assalamu alaikum, good night everyone. It was great and amazing
Walaikum
class.
salam.
So let's sign up for today. We will meet tomorrow, inshallah. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
अबे